Naku apa tip siapang cumi. Ïakren menpat. Apa nom si kelayang ah?
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Ka Khasi Students Union hagan nyau tarik unai tung arjar punrio. Kalay kendu yu Emily jong ka Ranikor constituency uba Pius Marwen ban pensngau hau yaki arpau taliki mat Jingdawa jong ka seng. Hau kurwa bala pha sakilat patai kubor. Ka KSU kala pentep bakala yolat ban ya phliu jingmud bat uba Pius Marwen. Halor ka issue uranium ka baki phalo ba hakini kisngi. Namarba ka sinong domesiat bat ki sinong bamarjan ki badon ya uranium. Kidang hap hapo ka Ranikor constituency. Nakaliang ka seng kala pensngo halor ka jingyo thi jaka ki hespa sya kathan badon uranium. Bad Ïakren halor ki kampenro yakathan kum ki jaka sumar ki school ka umbam umdi bad kiwe ki jingdon kam ki baka sorkar kala iben baro sikata. Ha ka jo kapor ka seng kala pensko ru halor ka jinglet kha jong ki brio na ka atomic mineral department bad ki dalal jongka ban persyang ban thiet bad ban pensko thu bakla ya ki traishnong bakin ailat ban tino yo uranium bad ban penting pensmi ya ki brio ki papersya ban ti yo uranium. Ka seng kala banjur bala donkam ban menjur da ka resolution ha ka ying dorbar thau an ha ka dorbar senrai ka ban salong. Kanang ban peni ya ka jing persya ya ka jing temu ka sorkar India banti yo uranium. Bat ha ka juko por ban khangla ya ki pri ban thiet jaka. Bat ban di pateng sa ki company ti uranium kum ka Uranium Corporation India Limited.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.